Shake that hand and say, I claim for you double prosperity. Not single, double prosperity. Prosperity at the right and prosperity at the left. Double. Prosperity upon and prosperity beneath. Double. Prosperity before and prosperity behind. Double prosperity. For who? Shake that hand and say, I claim for you double prosperity. Double prosperity. It will never be too much. Ndị magi na-emere gị, ndị na-amara gị na-emere gị. Double. Ndị mmadụ na-emere gị, ụmụ mma na-emere gị. Double, double. Ọ na-eme na Nigeria, ọ na-emere gị n'obodo oyibo. Nke si na na-apụta, nke si n'igwe na-agbadata. It shall not just be a volcanic eruption. In your case, it shall be prosperity eruption. Abapo, the day volcano erupted was not the day it started trying to come out. But when the heat becomes so much, the ground will open. That is what is going to happen in your case. At that point, nothing can hinder it. And I write upon you spiritually, nickel obstat. Nothing can hinder. Nothing can obstruct it. Nothing can stop it. And you.